മിന്നു ചോദിച്ചു.
A for apple. B for aeroplane. Okay. The B for bird. I got two. The B for banana. Correct. The C for cat. The C for camel. The E for elephant. The E for eagle. The F for fish. The G for yogurt. The H for water. The H for the I for the J for shark. The K for kite. The L for
അതിരെ പറഞ്ഞു കൊടുക്കണ്ട.
M for mango. The N for nut. The O for orange. The P for parrot. The Q for fruity. The R for rabbit. The S for boat. Ship. The T for tiger. The U for umbrella. The V for van. The W for watch. The X for tree. In the tree, Christmas tree. The Y for boat. Yacht. Z for zebra.